Hello guys, today we are make die mini exhaust fan kit. Material required: battery holder, cooling fan, push connector, switch, battery. Step 1: battery holder. Push connector. The red wire of the battery holder connect to T6 terminal and black wire connect to T5 terminal. Cooling fan. The red wire of the cooling fan connect to T4 terminal and black wire connect to T5 terminal. Switch. The red wire of the switch connect to T1 and T3 terminal. After completing your circuit, put the battery in the battery holder. When your circuit is completed, when you turn on switch, your cooling fan start rotating. As you can see,